डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो, चढ़ता है खेलता है झूलता उछलता है, दौड़ता कभी कभी दौड़ कर आता है, आगे आगे बढ़ता है इंडिया, अमूल दूध पीता है. That's one of the biggest
India.
jingles. Yeah, really amazing.
Lovely.
Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall. So I had no formal training in school. I was thrown out of class, Miss Davidson. यहीं पे मैं स्कूल गई.
भाईखला.
जी, बाइकला क्लेयर रोड में. आप क्लेयर रोड जानते हैं? इट्स नहीं जानते. मैं बताती हूँ. अगर मंगेशकर सिस्टर्स यानी लता जी मंगेशकर और आशा जी भोसले एक साइड में थे, तो हमारे सिस्टर्स भी the Spice Girls or Garam Masala Girls, क्योंकि they would sing only in English. My father solved some of the biggest dacoity cases in Bombay, and the Chunawala murder case, triple murder case, which all my father solved. My father's name was Vaidyanath Someshwar Sami. लेकिन मैं बहुत, I'm very very proud. हज सजीवात जीव गुटमळ तसा फिरती वाढते बळ, तुझ्या तोंडाला तोंड माझ नीळ, हे बघून दुश्मन जळ, वर ढगाला लागली कळ, पानी थेम थेम गळ, ढगाला लागली कळ. इसमें कितनी बड़ी बात है बताइए. रंबा हो हो, you know, there's a meaning in that. There's a meaning in कोई यहाँ है नाचे नाचे. Didn't Krishna dance? Didn't the gopis dance?
Yes.
Everybody. तो क्यों किसी के गाने के ऊपर क्यों, why have so much criticism? दोस्तों से प्यार किया, I say दुश्मनों से भी प्यार किया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से. जो भी करना है शान से करो, नहीं तो करो ही नहीं. Hi everybody, namaskar, namaskaram, sat sri akal, salam alaikum. That's right, I'm Usha Uttup, and let me tell you, I just enjoyed being with Pooja Di Samant. It's really wonderful. Pooja Samant's interview was just mind-blowing. I want you to watch Real Meets Real.
Hello, welcome viewers. In this exciting new episode of Real Meets Real, we are welcoming Padma Shri Padma Bhushan Usha Uttup in our episode. Welcome Usha ji.
Namaskar, namaskaram, sat sri akal, salam
She is
alaikum.
the queen of jazz, pop. She is a playback singer. She has a very powerful voice, which is not very conventional, but yet she made a place not in India, but all over the world. She is a global singer. She has many songs which will be always evergreen for the viewers, to the listeners. Let us see what Usha ji says in our exciting episode. Usha ji, आपका स्वागत करती हूँ.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Very happy to be on your program.
Thank you so much Usha जी. आपको हिंदी इंग्लिश जो भी ठीक लगे,
हाँ,
आप जो भी आपको ठीक लगे.
तमिल, कन्नड़ा, मलयालम, जैसे आप बोले.
हिंदी इंग्लिश, व्हाटएवर. आपके म्यूजिकल जर्नी ने 5 डिकेड पूरे किए हैं.
जी, उससे ज्यादा असल में. हाँ,
See 53, 54,
56 years.
56 year. Oh God, it's a mind blowing.
Yes.
तो उषा जी, इस लंबी चौड़ी जर्नी ने जब आप पीछे मुड़कर देखती है, आगे देखती है, तो what are your feelings now?
My feelings पहले तो is विनम्रता से कहती हूँ, absolutely, कि मैं बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं हूँ without my audiences और हमारे पब्लिक और हमारे म्यूजिशियंस और हमारे सबसे ज़्यादा तो हमारे फैमिली इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो है, उसके बगैर तो कुछ नहीं होता. क्योंकि इफ़ यू हैव अ गुड फैमिली infrastructure that supports you and who allows you to grow, I think it's impossible to grow. So जैसे मैंने कहा, विनम्रता से कहती हूँ. The first thought I would say about this long journey of mine, 56 years is really long.
Very long.
और जहाँ पे we don't have an godfather or a godmother in the Hindi film industry. वहाँ पे तो बहुत long है ये सफ़र. और I would say my one thought is that of gratitude. Gratitude to God for giving me these many years. और जब भी मैं सुबह में उठती हूँ, the first thing that comes to my mind is, God, thank you so much for another wonderful day. God, please keep my family and friends, everybody well. और I think the beginning of every day is an addition to my journey. और वो भी मैं बहुत with a lot of honesty I accept this. क्योंकि लोग आजकल honesty यानी honest होने के लिए बहुत झिझक होती है. And I think that is very, very important. Without being honest, nothing works really.
That is your one of the greatest quality, I must say.
No, I think you have to be honest, you have to be humble. देखिए इसमें कुछ there's no big rocket science. मैंने को तो कुछ सीखा नहीं. I've never learnt any music formally or informally or any way. तो I think every day and every show that I do, हर एक गाने के लिए जब मैं approach करती हूँ उस गाने को, इसी प्रेयर के साथ, इसी प्रार्थना के साथ मैं अप्रोच करती हूँ रोज़. चाहे वो गाना 10,000 बार पहले मैं गा चुकी हूँ, लेकिन when I approach that song, or when I approach the stage, or when I come up to the stage in front of the audience, my thought is always, God, let me sing like I've never sung before. And so I think when you have a prayer like that, इसमें honesty is the basis of that. नहीं, आपके काम में जो भी काम करते हैं, आप तो लिखते हैं, इतने प्रोलिफिक राइटर हैं आप, तो जब आप लिखते हैं, पहली बात तो ज़रूर आपके मन में आती होगी, चाहे किसी ने आपकी इंटरव्यू ऐसे नहीं किया, लेकिन ज़रूर आप भी इसी आइडिया से जाते हैं कि जो भी कहूँगी और जैसे कहूँगी वो सच ही निकलना चाहिए. क्योंकि people, I mean, this is an old thing. You can fool some people for some time. You can fool some people for all the time. But you can't fool all the people for all the time, right? ये तो बहुत पुरानी adage है. लेकिन जब मैं कह रही हूँ, I really believe it. तो इसमें अगर आप accept कर ले कि this today or this now, this moment is also an addition to the journey that you have. And it's going to be added on. So, अगर add on करते हैं कुछ भी, उसमें एक honesty चाहिए, right?
Definitely. Usha ji, as per my knowledge, you did not have the formal, musical training in the childhood.
Nothing. Not childhood, कभी भी नहीं.
कभी भी नहीं.
या
फिर भी आप टॉप पे गई.
अब टॉप या कहाँ पे, वो तो मैं कभी सोचती भी नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि numbers are just number 1, number 2, number 3. हम तो वैसे probably I'm number 75, but it doesn't matter, क्योंकि दिल में जो जिसके रहते हैं, अगर मैं आपके दिल में रह जाऊँ आज, और जब आप घर जाएंगे हमारे बारे में सोचेंगे and you may smile about something, then for me that is the biggest number, right? And for me that is most important. Most important. Okay, I bring a smile on everybody's face, and without that, nothing works for me. So I had no formal training in school. I was thrown out of class, Miss Davidson. यहीं पे मैं स्कूल गई.
भाईखला.
जी, भाईखला क्लेयर रोड में. आप क्लेयर रोड जानते हैं? It's नहीं जानते. मैं बताती हूँ. It's on top of the bridge. of हम लोग रहते थे लव लेन में.
लव लेन.
बताइए, क्या नाम है? Romantic name and such a beautiful name, full of love and peace. सच्ची अगर हम बताएं तो that was real peace. जहाँ पर कोई लड़ाई झगड़ा हिंदू मुसलमान सिख ईसाई ये सब कुछ होता ही नहीं था उन दिनों में. It was such a beautiful Bombay, such a beautiful India, such a beautiful place.
Yes.
जहाँ पे we knew no difference. So when I went to school there, ऐसा लगता था कि कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता था, कॉन्वेंट में गई मैं, कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में पढ़ी, तो वहाँ पे इंग्लिश वाज द मीडियम ऑफ टीचिंग,
Yes, yes.
हिंदी वाज द सेकंड लैंग्वेज, थर्ड लैंग्वेज मराठी. एंड मराठी के लिए मैं हमेशा से थैंक यू कहूँगी टू मिसेस रायकर, who taught me
She taught.
Marathi, huh? And I always did good in language. Okay, the fourth language was French.
Oh.
एंड घर में हम लोग तमिल बात करते थे. तो देखिए, ये तो फाउंडेशन तो हो गया. और जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ सबसे, अगर आप इंडिया में पैदा हुए तो यू आर बॉर्न विद एन एडवांटेज
Yes.
of 17 basic languages और पता नहीं कितने सारे dialects हैं. So you're born with with the, what shall I say, with the great advantage. इसको क्यों ना use करें. तो तब से मेरी I started falling in love with language, and that's why it became such a USP for me to learn language. और मैं बहुत अच्छे से expressions ले लेती हूँ या सीखती हूँ. तो लोग सोचते हैं कि जब आपको क्लास में से, यानी म्यूज़िक क्लास से निकाल दिए क्योंकि आवाज़ इतनी हटके है, तो मैं कहती हूँ कि आई नेवर फेल्ट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड
Oh.
एंड नीदर डिड आई फील बैड. इतने छोटी उम्र में दे थ्रू मी आउट ऑफ क्लास, सो देयर वाज अ चांस दैट आई कुड बी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड और मिजरेबल, हमेशा बोलूँगा इतना बड़ा स्ट्रगल हुआ ये वो, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था. ऐसा नहीं था. दैट बिकेम लाइक अ चैलेंज फॉर मी. या तो आप घुट घुट के मर सकते हैं, या तो यू कैन मेक इट योर बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ. और वो ही हुआ. इट बिकेम माई बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ. Because I was different. It's not a question of how good a singer or how bad a singer you are, but how original a singer. So music I never thought would become my career or anything. वो सब plan में था ही नहीं. I just wanted to be with people and spread happiness. और जब मैं जो भी करती थी, I only wanted to spread happiness around and bring a smile on everybody's face. बहुत अच्छा लगता था जब लोग यानी हमारे क्लास में जब हम बैठ के डेस्क के ऊपर बैठ के तबला बजा के, and I used to enjoy myself and everybody around me also enjoyed. और टेबल पे घर में with my father, हमारे पिताजी पुलिस में थे. He was deputy commissioner of police in Bombay crime branch, and but he was a terrific musician also.
Wow.
He loved music. He, my mother, my two sisters, Indira and Duma, are the original singing Sami sisters. वो लोग सिर्फ इंग्लिश में गाते थे. और मैं कह रही हूँ कितने, जब मैं तो बहुत छोटी थी, लेकिन they used to sing beautifully. So अगर मंगेशकर सिस्टर्स यानी लता जी मंगेशकर और आशा जी भोसले एक साइड में थे, तो हमारे सिस्टर्स भी the Spice Girls or Garam Masala Girls, because they would sing only in English, and so they came up at the same time, I would say. So for me, it was not a bad thing that मुझे कोई formal training नहीं मिली. So I have no regrets. हाँ, regret एक बात की है कि अगर मैं notations सीख लेती तो अच्छा रहता, क्योंकि I don't want to tell any youngsters or anybody के formal training नहीं होने से भी बहुत अच्छा है ये है. वो तो मैं कहूँगी ज़रूर कि हार नहीं मानना चाहिए. अगर आपके दिल में you feel you have to sing, just sing. If you want to dream that you will become a singer one day and you will be able to get onto the stage, dream that dream. अगर ड्रीम नहीं करोगे तो कैसे सपने कैसे सच होंगे. तो पहले तो you have to make that come true. So for me, that was really an exciting moment when I realized that my teacher, Miss Davidson, मुझे tambourine दिए और clappers बजाने के लिए. तो उन्हें मालूम था कि I had some musicality in me. अगर ताल मिला के I used to play the tambourine very well and percussion very well. तो फॉर मी इट वाज नॉट समथिंग विच आई रिग्रेटेड. जैसे मैंने कहा कि अगर नोटेशंस में मैं सीखती तो बहुत अच्छा होता हमारे लिए, क्योंकि हमारे काम के लिए इट वुड हैव बीन वंडरफुल. एक गाना लेके नोटेशंस में या सारे गामा या जो भी लिखे हैं, आई वुड बी एबल टू लर्न इट. इट वुड बी वेरी गुड फॉर मी, और जल्दी आई वुड बी एबल टू पिक अप. अभी क्या होता है कि नहीं सीखने से you develop your own style, you see, so which you can't learn unless you have gone through the experiences of life.
जी जी.
और जो भी लाइफ ने मुझे सिखाया, जिंदगी ने मुझे सिखाया, वो तो कोई स्कूल में तो नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो तो ऐसा ही कैसे भी आ जाता है. तो इनफैक्ट आई रिमेंबर there was a beautiful song of Lata Ji Mangeshkar when I was a very small girl. और मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ये गाने का मीनिंग कितना ब्यूटीफुल था. एंड but I just loved it. I loved the
Do
song.
you remember which song was it?
Yes, of course. I'll never forget it. और मैं हमेशा से याद करती हूँ क्या. और उस दिन मुझे मालूम था कि I'll never be able to sing like Lata Ji Mangeshkar or anybody else. But I can only sing like myself. And वो realization जब आता है, then you have no regret.
Correct.
You have no regret. Why do you want to sing like someone else? वो तो होने ही वाला नहीं.
जी.
10 जन्म में भी I can't sing like her or like Hariharan ji or Shankar Mahan, like Shreya Ghoshal. Nobody. But I can only sing like myself. और इसी में मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, क्योंकि जो भी I don't have a glamorous image or I don't have a sex image that I portray or anything. जो हूँ मैं हूँ, घरेलू जैसे लोग जैसे देखते हैं मुझे, बस probably they will see me in a Kanjivaram sari in the show in the evening with flowers, वेणी घालून आणि माझं बिंदी सर्व, everything intact. And what is the name? लुगड़ी ना, तो साड़ी
साड़ी.
ओ
Yes.
माँ, कितने दिन के बाद. कभी कभी हम घर में भी जब बैठते हैं, I mean this is aside from the interview that we're doing actually, trajectory, लेकिन बहुत connection है, क्योंकि कभी कभी जब गुस्सा नहीं, जब not even, जब झट से हमारी मेड, शी इज वेरी स्वीट, आशा, वो आके हमको कुछ खाने के लिए देती हैं, तो मैं कहती हूँ बघितलं नाही का मी इकडे गाणं लिहिते, and she stares at me just, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं. Because then I say मला नको आता, you know, it automatically comes. जो बचपन में सीखे हैं, जो एक्सपोजर होती है बचपन में, वो निकलता कभी नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
कभी नहीं. तो अगर सिग्नल्स बचपन में अच्छे होते हैं, एंड द वैल्यूज दैट योर पेरेंट्स गिव यू, माँ बाप जो अच्छे सिखाते हैं, वो कभी नहीं मिट सकता, कभी नहीं. इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि म्यूज़िक इज़ नॉट माई बिजनेस, कम्युनिकेशन इज़. क्योंकि मैं बहुत सीखी हूँ बचपन से, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें जो स्कूल कॉलेज कहीं भी नहीं सीख सकते हैं, ओनली इन द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लव एंड लाइफ.
जी जी.
And that song you said, ma'am, I hope I can sing it well. Just one line. Haravale te gavasale ka tavasale te haravale ka. What a beautiful song, na? पण मला माहित नव्हते what is the meaning of that.
Oh.
And then when it came into my mind, जहन में उतर गया, and in so many crises of my life, I always ask myself, and whoever wrote the lyrics, I hope in your interview you can find with the research who wrote those lyrics. कि एक मद्रासी is one small schoolgirl from a convent. How did it have such an impact on me? Who wrote the lyrics for this?
1 minute. Shanta Shirki.
Lady? Gosh. No, those lines, just those 2 lines. Have you found what you lost? Or have you lost what you found? Don't let that happen. क्योंकि जो हम लोग पाते हैं उसको अच्छे से रखने से, अच्छे से प्यार से रखने से, जत्न करके उसको, if we look after it, the values that our parents give, वो कभी भी हमको मौका नहीं मिलेगा कि to say that we have lost it. We must not. हमारे values जो हैं, हमारे country के, हमारे देश के, हमारे इंडिया के, हमारे मुंबई के, we must not lose that beautiful feeling of Bombay, the spirit of Bombay. I wish, खरंच मी मुंबईकर, खरंच. When I looked at the morning rain and the, say, Marine Drive, you know, the sight of the sea, everybody doesn't have that
Yes, yes.
opportunity.
You must be
ना.
going down the memory lane.
हाँ नहीं, and वो तो कभी भूल नहीं सकती. A3 लिमिटेड या A4 लिमिटेड बस में जाती थी. It be great fun for me, you know. लेकिन हम लोग सब बाइकला में रहते थे, तो मरीन ड्राइव और सब तो was out of our reach.
हाँ.
Very, what do you call it, middle class, very middle class people. But I'm so grateful to God कि हम ऐसे, यानी parents ने मुझे पैदा किया. My father solved some of the biggest dacoity cases in Bombay, and the Chunawala murder case, triple murder case, which
Yes.
all my father solved. My father's name was Vaidyanath Someshwar Sami. लेकिन मैं बहुत, I'm very, very proud of the fact. And मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ आजकल के बच्चों को that you are our future. और अगर आप अच्छे सिग्नल्स ले लेते हैं अपने लाइफ में, अपने वैल्यूज अच्छे ले लेते हैं, तो स्काई इज द लिमिट. कौन रोकेगा आपको?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Right. So I really want all of you to remember that line. Did you lose what you found? Or did you find what you lost? I hope you find what you lost. Huh. I really want to say that, what is her name? Shanta Didi.
शांता शेड़के. हाँ, शांता
शेड़के.
जी.
What a beautiful song you wrote. Is she still there?
No,
in this
she
world?
wrote it.
No, I'm saying, is she still alive?
No, she is not alive. She died 10-15 years back.
10 साल हो गए.
हाँ,
10
बराबर.
साल.
10 साल पहले नहीं रही.
But दीदी, आपने जो गाना लिखा, I think अगर सभी लोग हमारे जैसे सोचते तो बहुत कुछ मिलता ऐसे गाने से. So we went a little out of the interview, but very much in the interview.
Yes. उषा जी, आपकी जर्नी में was there any moment, or how did you decided that you wanted to be a professional singer, and what was the turning point?
I never had any, never planned, nothing, कुछ नहीं. पहली बार जब मैंने गाना गाया in मद्रास, हम लोग सब गए थे वहाँ पे for a vacation. आप तो जानते हैं मिडिल क्लास फैमिली तो पिकनिक तो बनता ही है ना. एटलीस्ट जितने भी गरीब से गरीब हो, फैमिली must get together. And we couldn't afford to go to Madras. And Madras was, of course, my mother's father's place. Okay, so we would go by train, and that to third class. बहुत मजा आता था. And वहाँ जाके, we had gone on one of those vacations, and my aunt, who was the director of tourism in Madras, she took us out for a little treat to a nightclub, to a restaurant called Nine Gems. वहाँ पे एक बैंड बज रही थी, तो they asked me to sing. My aunt just said, why don't you get up and sing? क्योंकि तब तक तुम establish हो गया था हमारे फैमिली में कि मैं I make everybody laugh, I make everybody happy, and you know, that kind of thing had
Full
already
of
been
life you had.
established. Yeah. So she asked me to sing. I got up and I sang. The first song I sang was, never know how much I love you. You never know how much I care. When you touch, you give me fever. You give me fever, what's so hard to bear? You give me fever. तो कोई भी सोचेगा अब कांजीवरम साड़ी है. उन दिनों में तो कांजीवरम कहाँ. I was wearing a खटाव voile साड़ी. आप भी नहीं जानते होंगे खटाव.
नहीं, बिल्कुल जानती हूँ मैं. My mother used to wear खटाव. Yes.
Very good. So that's all we could afford. But अभी भी आप देखेंगे हमारे रूम में अगर घूर के एक आयनिंग बोर्ड होगा और एक आयन होगा. I iron my own clothes. I
Oh.
always, and I always want to be well turned out. It may not be expensive, but you must be well turned out.
But you have a fantastic fashion statement, ma'am.
Yes, well, it has become a fashion statement. अभी rewind करके देखें तो. लेकिन जब हो रहा था, I never really thought that it was going to happen. You know, and मैंने पहले गाना गाया, फिर तालियां मिले, तो मुझे पता लगा कि लोगों को पसंद आई. So I sang and it was almost 45 minutes or something. Then the owner came and he offered me a contract to sing for the week. I was so excited. Week ke baad he presented me with a sari, with a Kanjivaram
But did you get
sari.
remuneration of that?
No,
song?
no.
No. He gave you contract.
He gave me a sari,
Sari.
one Kanjivaram sari,
Lovely.
green sari, yeah. And it was great. Then after that I did another restaurant in Madras in a place called Hotel Savera. And that was really amazing as well. Wahan pe, yes, I got paid 750 rupees. Not for one show, for the whole month.
Oh.
Whole month. And I was the highest paid singer. Wow. So I
700
grew
was big amount in those days.
big, I guess. It was. I was very happy. हमारे पिताजी से और एक सीख मुझे मिली कि he would always say, never ever compare yourself with anyone else. Only compare yourself with yourself. हम कहाँ थे, अब कहाँ हैं और कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं. ये 3 क्वेश्चन अगर आप अच्छे से पूछ लीजिएगा और सच्ची दिल से आंसर दे दीजिएगा, you'll never be frustrated. So, अभी people are talking only in crores. Every artist wants 50 lakhs, 55 lakhs, 35 lakhs, 1 करोड़, 3 करोड़. उससे कम तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता है. और मुझे तो 5 लाख या 10 लाख जो भी दे रहे हैं देने के लिए बोलते हैं, दीदी कम करो ना, कम करो. So you see, but whatever I get, I'm very happy because I compare myself to the 750. हम कहाँ से आए? 750. हम कहाँ पर हैं? कभी 5, कभी 10, जो भी है. और कहाँ जा रहे हैं? वहीं जहाँ सब लोग जाते हैं.
जी,
6/3.
So आपकी जो
ये बहुत गंभीर लगी आपको? 6/3.
नहीं नहीं, बहुत ट्रुथ है इसमें.
और 6/3 जाने से, और अगर हम लोग हिंदू हैं तो वो भी नहीं मिलता, तो भस्म हो जाता है. बस वही तो है. So why so much time to fight when there's so little time to love? यही मैं कहती हूँ हर वक्त. Let's love instead of fight all the time.
ट्रू ट्रू. आपकी जो यूनिक ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल है, कांजीवरम, बैंगल्स एंड द लॉट्स ऑफ फूल एंड गजरा.
Yeah.
सो फ्रॉम वेयर डिड यू फेल टू डू दिस वे द ड्रेसिंग एंड योर इमेज, एंड यू यूज्ड टू सॉन्ग इंग्लिश सॉन्ग, पॉप, जैज.
तो आप सोचिए कैसे, अगर महाराष्ट्र में, बॉम्बे में पले हैं, तो वैसे भी साउथ इंडियंस हमेशा बिंदी तो लगाते ही थे. हाँ, उन दिनों में छोटा ऐसा एक बोतल होता था, हम लोग ग्लास बोतल, उसके अंदर में ग्लास का स्टिक होता था, और निकाल के राउंड लगा के बस लगा.
हम लोग गंध बोलते थे उसको. गंध.
तेच आणखी काय नाही. आणि मग then I felt that I must make the bindi to match my sari, make it or some design from the border or something like that. तो मैं खुद बनाती थी डिजाइन्स. फिर क्या हुआ कि श्रृंगार आया, वो इतने सारे कलर्स के साथ, तो मैं वो बिंदी सब अपने आप लगाती थी, डिजाइन्स बनाती थी. तो दैट बिकेम, उसके बाद स्टिकर आया, तो स्टिकर लगा के, तो यू सी bindis also evolved and became different.
Yes.
And I made it different because I wanted it to be, I didn't have so many gorgeous clothes to wear, right? So I always wanted something matching, something, चूड़ी. अगर आप महाराष्ट्र में पैदा हुए तो चूड़ी तो होना ही है, नाही का?
Yes, of course.
आणि मी भुलेश्वर मध्ये Bhuleshwar, have you heard? My God, after years I'm saying Bhuleshwar.
Yes. Bhuleshwar, yes.
Tikde, I used to get lot of glass bangles, and I used to wear handful of bangles always. So उन दिनों में I think 1 रुपए के कुछ 24 2 डजन मिलते थे. आजकल तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है 1
नहीं
रुपए.
नहीं.
You have to pay so much of money. So bangles also became a part of Usha. I used to love bangles. I love bangles. Because I think in Maharashtra especially, I think all over India, हरे चूड़ियाँ और लाल चूड़ियाँ, it meant a lot.
Yes,
bangdi. I remember the word.
Yes.
Yes, it's so lovely. So I used to wear a lot of bangdi, and always used to. If you ever counted it, it would be 4 dozen.
4 dozen.
Yeah, because thin चूड़ी थे, तो इधर से इधर तक पहनती थी. और अगर थोड़ा मोटा होता तो then it would be maybe sometime 3 dozen, or little less than 3 dozen, but always there. But I started collecting bangles wherever I went. So rahi bindi or bagdi. Mang, I decide. I mean, in Bombay, we every day my amma used to do puja. जो घर में हमारे कंपाउंड में फूल मिलते थे, मोगरा और सब, वो लेती थी और पूजा करती थी. फिर हम लोग में ये जो उसको आप लोग क्या कहते हैं, वेणी गजरा बनाती थी हमारी माँ. और फ्राइडे को शाम को सब लड़कियां, यानी all the daughters in the house, we all wore a little bit of flowers in the hair. Then it became a habit to wear
It has
flowers.
become your identity.
Then what happened was, in Bombay especially, in Baikala, we used to have, there was a Shiva temple at the back in Hansraj Lane, जहाँ पे एक फूल वाला रहते थे. तो उनसे हम लोग को फूल मिलता था. वो लिटिल पत्ता में पैक करके घर में दे देते थे. So I used to wear that every day. And whenever I went out, I had lot of gajras. तो रही 3 बात, बिंदी, चूड़ी और गजरा.
And your sari.
वो तो साड़ी तो था ही, क्योंकि माँ पहनती थी, बहनें पहनती थी, और वही रहा. कभी सोची नहीं कि ये हम करेंगे एक बड़ा मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी या आइकॉनिक फैशन, कुछ नहीं. बहुत साधारण घरेलू, जैसे आप लोग हम लोग सब एक ही हैं, वैसे ही रही. तो आई ऑलवेज से दैट इट्स नॉट हाउ you should be loved for who you are, not for who you put on, है ना? क्योंकि वो पुट ऑन करने से कभी ना कभी निकलने वाला है.
बहुत बड़ी बात कही आपने.
To love you, you must love me for who I am, not. And life becomes very easy then. क्योंकि कितने दिन वो मास्क पहन के रखोगे. So many people are with the mask all their life. और कितना झूठ बोलेंगे. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, the song is much bigger than the singer. Much bigger.
बिल्कुल.
How could I remember Shanta Tai's song? Because it's such a big song. It's so important. I don't even know if it was from a movie or whether it was a private recording or what. But that was something else.
बिल्कुल.
And for me, that was a huge thing. So I have found many things which I could have lost.
Yes.
I could have. Haravalite,
Gavasali.
I could have, but I started finding more and more meaning into life through my song. Believe in what you sing.
Yes, yes.
इसमें क्या झिझक है? लोग कहते हैं कि वो शब्द अभी तो of course they all love it, but बीच में they used to say, तो सिर्फ रंबा हो गाना गाती है, या कोई यहाँ नाचे. लेकिन उस गाने में भी बहुत बड़ी मीनिंग है. जितनी तुम प्यार से जी लोगे उतनी ही जिंदगी रंबा हो. You know, there's a meaning in that. there's a meaning in koi yahan hai nache nache. Didn't Krishna dance? Didn't the gopis dance?
Yes, yes.
Everybody. तो क्यों किसी के गाने के ऊपर क्यों, why have so much criticism? When if you go a little deeper, just give it little time. पहले पहले तो लोग कहते थे कि इना मीना डी का डाय डमनी ये क्या गाना है, फालतू क्या लिरिक्स है, लोग कहते थे. लेकिन I loved those songs. आज they are classics.
Classics.
And they are classics because we gave it time. पहले तो समय दीजिए कुछ उसको हिट होने के लिए. Like one of my biggest songs are which Dada Konke ji gave me himself when I was much younger. Obviously much younger. And he gave me the song to sing. He said, Usha, this will suit your voice.
Oh.
Sing this song. जसा जीवात जीव घुटमळ तसा फिरतीच वाढते बळ तुझ्या तोंडाला तोंड माझ नीळ हे बघून दुश्मन जळ हवर ढगाला लागली कळ पानी थेम थेम गळ ढगाला लागली कळ. इसमें कितनी बड़ी बात है बताइए. लेना है डबल मीनिंग ले सकते हैं, ट्रिपल मीनिंग ले सकते हैं. मैंने जो मीनिंग लिया है that when you do something, even ढगाला लागली कळ.
Yes.
You know,
It connected with nature.
with me and with whatever I do, I try to look at the good side of life.
Obviously.
And आज शायद कल इस होटल के जो डायरेक्टर हैं उनसे बात हुई. And he had a friend with him and he said, I'm the son or brother's son of S.K. Patil.
Oh, Saka Patil.
Saka Patil. So you can imagine how small I was, so
Yes,
young.
yes.
But I learned that song, and I used to sing in all my shows, and I sang it for him. He had tears in his eyes.
Oh.
बताइए कितने साल बाद, हम तो जानते भी नहीं उनको. इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ everything is not a coincidence.
True.
बहुत सारे चीजें हैं जो प्लान करके आते हैं आपके पास. And that song was कसकाय पाटील बरं हाय का सांग बरं हाय का काल काय ऐकलं ते खरं हाय का. So you see, he was so happy that I remembered it because my father used to do a lot of bandobast and all that.
Yes.
And he was very close with Saka Patil ji and with even Bala Saheb Thackeray, with everybody. And we never took it as politics or this or that. We just took each other as, I was a very proud daughter of a very fantastic police officer.
Yes.
And that's my
Very
father.
true. Usha ji, there are a couple of music directors, with whom you have worked and they have given you fantastic songs.
Yes.
The song has become iconic till date.
Yes.
So can you share some of those music directors like
Oh,
R.D. Burman,
R.D. Burman.
Vishal Bhardwaj, A.R. Rahman?
No, but R.D. Burman, I mean, I met him in Bombay. Actually, he came to my show in Bandra.
Okay.
I used to be singing in a little place called Gazebo on Lincoln Road.
It was.
And I mean, R.D. Burman had come for that. So he liked my style of singing and it was wonderful working with him. He gave me some of my really iconic songs like 1 2 Cha 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 and the most popular song, दोस्तों से प्यार किया. I say, दुश्मनों से भी प्यार किया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से. जो भी करना है शान से करो, नहीं तो करो ही नहीं. And that become my lifestyle. So it was great working with him. He gave me some big hit songs. And Bapi Lahiri gave me like Hari Om Hari, Ramba Ho. Fantastic. Shankar Jaikishan ji. One of my first songs from Bombay Talkie. He only gave me Good Times and Hari Om Tat Sat. ऐसे इतने सारे गाने तो मैंने नहीं गाए जैसे दूसरे आर्टिस्ट गाएंगे 30,000 गाने 40,000. ऐसे तो नहीं. हमारे तो बहुत खींच के शायद 1,000 होंगे in all these 56 years. लेकिन हर एक गाना हिट.
बिल्कुल.
बहुत कम गाने लेकिन all of the hits. Working with A.R. Rahman ji, He's a genius, really, a genius of today. And the king of music is, of course, Ilayaraja sir. Raja sir from Madras. I've done some really good songs with him. I just did a song in Marathi for 2, 3 people actually. I don't remember all their names because they all come. It's been a long time. Maybe through your channel now and through your interview, I will get some more Marathi songs to sing.
Of course.
Please give me. मला पण गाणं द्या. And I hope it happens. But Vaishali Samant.
Vaishali Samant.
I've done some nice songs with her, and she's a lovely girl
Yes,
as well.
yes.
So we hope that I get more songs to sing. But the excitement of working with different music directors, Vishalji Bharadwaj. I mean, what a fantastic song he gave me. Darling, aankhon se aankhein char karne do. Really lovely. So it's been wonderful working with all of them. And that's not diplomatic or a political answer. ये दिल से मैं कह रही हूँ क्योंकि एक जो सिस्टम जो है हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वो तोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल था unless somebody has the belief in me कि हाँ इनकी आवाज से ये गाना चलेगा. You know what I mean?
मैं उसी मुद्दे पे आ रही थी. सुना था कि आप हरे राम हरे कृष्ण के लिए जो गाना गाती थी वो गाना आशा जी ने गाया जो आपको दिया गया था. It was internal politics?
I have no idea how it happened.
But you were supposed to sing?
I was supposed to sing. It was actually supposed to be a duet. With Lataji Mangeshkar and myself. And Lataji was supposed to sing for Mumtaz and I was supposed to sing the Western girl in the movie which was Zeenat Aman. सारे रिहर्सल सब हुए फिल्म फेमस स्टूडियो में. Meenu Katrak was the
veteran
recording engineer, and there was R.D. Burman, S.D. Burman ji also was over there for the rehearsal. सिर्फ लता दीदी नहीं आई थी उस दिन. And my father also came for the rehearsal. बैठ के सब. Oh, I'd worked with Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji also. It was a great experience to be with them. So I've worked with all the greats. Anyway, so come to the studio, famous in Tardieu, and we did the whole rehearsal. Everything was lovely. उसके बाद पंचमदा ने बुलाया नहीं मुझे. तो उन दिनों में मोबाइल और सब नहीं था. We had to phone. So I asked him what happened. He said, यार आपके लिए दूसरा एक गाना है. So that means it had gone. It was okay. I have no ill will towards anybody else. And मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम.
गाने वाले का.
गाने पे लिखा है गाने वाले का. तो आज भी लोग सोचते हैं कि वो गाना मैंने ही गाया है. तो let them think that I sang or let them think that anybody sang. अब जो मैं शो करती हूँ, the Marudam has to be there. In 50 years, I'm singing that song on stage every day.
You're getting tremendous response.
Yes, of course. I mean, for people, it doesn't matter really. And I don't believe in making any controversial statements, or I don't like to get into any kind of sensationalism. कि हाँ मेरे गाने ले लिए ऐसे कुछ नहीं. बहुत सारे गाने थे ऐसे जो हमारे लिए थे लेकिन नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, doesn't matter. I got in the same Hare Rama Hare Krishna, I got a lovely song to sing. I love you, can't you see that I love you too. Oh please, 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 give me another chance. Hare Rama Hare Krishna Rama Rama. तो ये गाने तो है ही रोज जो मैं गाती हूँ. And I've had the privilege of working with so many people. But I've always admired Lataji Mangeshkar and Asha Bhosle ji. And I mean, all the rest. Imagine करोड़ों के country में सिर्फ 7 singers थे. How is that possible? There was Didi, there was Asha Di, then there was Kishore Da, Manna Da, Mohammad Rafi, Mukesh Saab, Mahendra Kapoor. Who else? बस अब देखिए कितने हैं हमारे इंडिया में.
अब तो
Because
ओशन है,
of-
ओशन.
It's just fantastic. Start with whoever you want to start with.
From your own side, you never tried to, get into the touch of the music world, few music directors. These days, communication is very important,
Very
to get the
important.
work.
Oh yes, even then it was very very
Acha,
important.
okay. So you
Very
did do
much.
that?
No, because I was doing concerts, no? I was doing shows,
Yeah.
and I was singing big stages like Shanmukhananda. In those days, it was really huge. It still is. All the big places I was doing shows, not only here, then Talk of the Town in Churchgate, which is now Jazz by the Bay. Nahin, abhi to Pizza by the Bay. Then I worked in Taj. I worked in so many places. So I was never in the rat race. Lekin
Oh.
jingles mein सबसे
You made a
बढ़िया
place in jingles.
बढ़िया बढ़िया jingle.
What were the few
Few
jingles?
Nescafe wala. That was come alive, come alive, come alive, taste of Nescafe. Then Campa Cola, then Coca-Cola. I go better with you, go better with, we go better with Coke. That was one of the Durga Khote productions. Or of course, more recently now, we चढ़ता है खेलता है झूलता उछलता है दौड़ता कभी कभी दौड़ कर आता है आगे आगे बढ़ता है इंडिया अमूल दूध पीता है. That's one of the biggest
India.
jingles. Yeah, really amazing.
Lovely.
Yeah, and of course गले में किच किच गले में क्या करूं विक्स की गोली लो किच किच दूर करो. बहुत सारे जिंगल्स थे. सो आई वाज नेवर इन द रैट रेस फॉर प्लेबैक सिंगिंग. जो भी चांसेस मिले मैंने लिए एंड आई वाज हैप्पी विद दैट.
बिल्कुल. एक्ट्रेसेस जिनके लिए आपने प्लेबैक दिया, तो उनके साथ क्या कभी मिलना हुआ? हाउ वाज
Oh,
देयर
of course.
behavior
Of course.
with you? How did
Well, I mean, people with like in the beginning with Kalpana Iyer, she became my
nice
friend,
soul.
lovely soul. She became a very dear friend of mine. Then all of them are friends of mine. You talk from right from the beginning. I mean, whether they Aruna Irani from One Two Cha Cha Cha.
Yes.
लेकिन सिर्फ हमारे गाने के बारे में अगर पूछें तो श्रीदेवी, रेखा I did a song for her for a film called Locket. Then for Sridevi, Nakabandi, all iconic songs, really iconic. Then I did even for Mithun Chakravarti, I sang Playback for a Man.
Oh.
For Roti Ki Keemat. So I've done lots of work and all of them are. I just did something with Kajol. उनकी माँ के साथ बहुत नजदीकी रिश्ता.
तनुजा जी के
साथ. समर्थ फैमिली नूतन जी. I used to worship her, yeah, when I used to see. मैं बहुत बहुत छोटी थी तब, but I loved watching Nutan ji. And after that, of course, Tanuja and I, we got along really well. She's my darling. I love her. I love her. We're very close. And Kajol, उनकी बेटी के साथ अभी एक मूवी आ रही है माँ करके. उसमें I've done a song.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so we both. पहली बार मैं बोल भी रही हूँ. उसके
Because
promotion
recently they have trailer launch.
Yes. No, but the song has just done they haven't put it up as yet. It will be put up soon. So I worked with Kajol on that. And it was lovely meeting up with her. So I have very, very good friends in the film industry. All of them have been marvelous with me. I don't think anybody feels badly towards me because I love people. And people like, say, Vidya Balan or all the younger
You sang for her?
No. But I'm saying I have great friends.
Yeah.
Great friendship with all the Indian. मैं सबसे बोलती हूँ मुझे please मुझे बोल दीजिए ना जरा give me a chance to. So of course I've done with Priyanka Chopra for Darling.
Saat Khun Maaf.
So I have very good relationships with everyone. Now of course the hot property of course is Mrinal Thakur. She's fantastic. She's really उनके साथ भी काम किया मैंने for an ad film called Tanera sarees के लिए जरूर देखेगा.
Sure.
So from young to the older set, everybody's. And if you say, I'm a great fan of Nasir Bhai, Nasiruddin Shah, then of course Irfan to nahi rahe abhi, then Nawazuddin sir, and of course now the biggest property is Pankaj Tripathi ji, who's
Oh,
absolutely marvelous. Yeah, so there are plenty of actors and actresses, and I'm a friend of all of them. That's what I feel so proud of, really.
Usha ji, what are the changes
What
you
about
see?
Salman Khan? Yeah,
Oh, yes.
Shah Rukh Khan, oh, Amir Khan, all of them, all of them. Amir Khan was such a small boy when I did the song for the film Locket, and I went to his
Yeah,
house to
Rekha ji wala locket.
in so I have very good friends in the film industry.
Coming back to the musical changes, what are the changes you really see in the field of music? Do you
Huge.
think film music, the songs have been reduced and that is affecting to the business of the films?
Not really. I'm an optimist. I don't believe that that anything can be so negative that it'll have a bura asar. But I definitely feel that the changes have been huge changes, and it's all because of technology. टेक्नोलॉजी के कारण तो अभी तो स्काई इज द लिमिट है ना द यू नो परफेक्शन यू कैन गेट एक एक वर्ड सिंगर्स पंच करते हैं या एक एक सेंटेंस करते हैं तो यू नो यू कैन गेट परफेक्शन टू द most finite limit. But the warmth of those days of the analog recording was something else, something really beautiful.
It's no more there.
Not the warmth. Warmth is missing because it's too
Missing.
perfect. It's too perfect. It's like porcelain और कट ग्लास जब देखते हैं इतना परफेक्ट है कि डर लगता है कि उसको छू दे तो कुछ हो जाए and I mean our lyricists are fantastic. The singers are look at the what's that duo in Marathi they do, oh God, the people who wrote for Shankar Mahadevan.
Yes.
Atul na
Ajay Atul.
Ajay Atul, they are just fantastic. I mean, like that, there are so many young music directors and singers, just brilliant, brilliant. तो कैसे लोग कह सकते हैं कि पुराने गाने इतने अच्छे थे, पुराने सिंगर, हाँ, they were fantastic. लेकिन याद कैसे रहा, जहन में कैसे रहा, क्योंकि हम लोग रेडियो में सुनते थे. आजकल तो you have to see music. It's so sad. आपको मालूम भी नहीं था कि मैंने दृश्यम में गाया, दृश्यम 2 में गाया, डॉन 2 में गाया, रॉक ऑन 2 में गाया, क्योंकि एयर स्पेस नहीं मिला ना. उन दिनों में तो सब रेडियो में हम लोग सुनते थे. तो that's how it became so popular.
How do you look at the reality shows? Because you were the judge.
I love it. I think reality shows are wonderful क्योंकि reality show has exposed and brought to light the talent that India has, and that is wonderful. जब एक समय था when they had only 6 people or 7 people or 8 people who ate from one big cake. Now the cake is the same size, but there are 1,500 singers, all wonderful. कितने singers हैं हमारे reality shows में, really marvelous. I mean, look at people, of course, Shreya Ghoshal and Sunidhi Chauhan and Sonu and Arijit, Hariharan, Shankar Mahadevan. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant, isn't it? And I think that's so fantastic. और अगर हम लोग सब एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं एक दूसरों को जैसे मैं करती हूँ और कोई भी गाना अच्छा लगे तो आई phone up and say how wonderful it is when you listen to an old ghazal of Jagjit Singh Ji or you listen to Anup Jalota. How can you say that those days were very good and these days are not? These days are also wonderful. उदास मत होइए. Sky is the limit for talent in India.
Usha ji, you have been shifted to Kolkata. Will it affect your career?
Did it affect my career? I've been in Calcutta for 50 years now.
Ah,
50 years. No, it never didn't affect my career. हाँ ऐसे हुए कि dates कभी कभी नहीं मिले to come to Bombay and I missed out 1 or 2 songs, but it doesn't matter. I think I'm the only original Bombay artist who went to Calcutta and lived in Kolkata. जैसे मैं कहती हूँ हमेशा कि Bombay is जन्मभूमि, Kolkata is कर्मभूमि, and come to Kolkata. It's really beautiful. Yeah.
Oh,
We want to say that about every place in India. Come, let us keep it clean, let us keep it green, let us keep it peaceful, full of justice, and let us keep it safe. Let Bombay be the same all the time.
very true. So you never thought to be settled in Mumbai to concentrate on
No, I
career?
got married like a proper Indian girl. I got married, and my husband was working in Calcutta. So I stayed on in Calcutta. We got transferred to Cochin and had two children there, Anjali and Sunny. And after that, we got back to Calcutta in 1976, 77. और तब से मैं हूँ Calcutta में. So how could I have moved if my husband was working there? So,
Yes, yes.
तो मैं Calcutta को base करके वहीं से I used to go around for my shows and recording.
Right. You do concerts all over the world, including your favorite Mumbai and
Of
Kolkata
course.
as well. So, what is the difference you find the audience all over, or how is getting the treatment?
No, I don't find a big difference.
No, okay,
I find that differences are only there cosmetically.
okay,
The audience is different because the you can make out from the way they dress. You know, some jeans pehn ke, t-shirt pehn ke, they're all very casual, and the youngsters today love my music and love the whole show the way it is. Okay, so I've gone through 5 decades of music, right? And I don't find a big difference क्योंकि cosmetic differences तो हैं ही आजकल the way they dress, the way they wear their hair, the way they everything is only a cosmetic change. उन दिनों में तो ऐसा नहीं था. जब लोग आते थे, the men would wear proper suits. If you were singing in a 5-star property,
yeah.
if you sing, अगर मैं ओबरॉय में गाती हूँ तो they dress differently. The women would wear all their lovely chiffons and coiffed hair and everything. It was different. So I'm not saying people don't dress like that anymore. आज के दिन में money power is very very powerful. Buying power, money power is much more than what it was in those days. उन दिनों में तो ऐसा था ही नहीं. अभी अभी है, लेकिन the difference is only that cosmetic. Cosmetic, and I don't know how you put it financially, what I don't know, but I put it as buying power or money power is different now. It's more visible. And the heart is the same. Beat जो है, धक 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 जो है, उसका जो combination permutation हो, कहीं धड़क धक, कहीं धक धक धड़क धक होता ही रहता है. That is cosmetic. I mean, the other things are cosmetic. This is the real thing. And everybody has the real love for music and art, even now.
Absolutely.
The exposure is much bigger.
Yes. Any future plans, or you wanted to bring some album?
Album? आप खरीदते हैं?
Your jazz pop album you
वो तो
wanted to
चलता ही
come out.
रहता है, वो तो चलता ही रहता है. And now is the day of Instagram and WhatsApp and Facebook and whatever else जो भी है. हमारे grandchildren जो कहते हैं yo bro, that's the generation now. And they love that music. So, but they also love, I mean, I'm on a playlist of so many youngsters who are say between 13 and so my songs are all their playlist.
Yes.
जो मुझे भी याद नहीं है गाने, जैसे 24 Carats एक एल्बम था. तो हमारे प्लान्स जो हैं is to be able to carry on singing. I don't have any grandeur plans. My biggest grandeur plan is कि आज की show, I hope that God will make it wonderful, and tomorrow's show has to really blast it off. I just want it that way.
Very good.
I live for the moment so that tomorrow can be really marvelous.
Usha ji, can you sing just a line or two line Oscar wala song?
Skyfall.
Skyfall.
Yes, so this has become a viral video, and I'm really grateful to all of you, the younger generation, and you are our future, really. You can make us or break us. So thank you for making me one more time, and thank you for believing in what I believe, that time is the only thing you have really in your hand. Make time your friend. Time के साथ कोई झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए. जैसे आता है, you must be able to carry on. And people say age is just a number. I say no. Age is age. But I've just started living today. So even now, this song, I'd like to sing just a couple of lines. This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, we will stand tall. Face it all together. Let the sky fall. That is one of the biggest hit songs now for me. So I hope that your listeners will also accept me like that.
यस, ये रही उषा जी. आपने उनसे बातचीत सुनी होगी. शी इज द सिंगर हु रियली रीडिफाइंड आवर इंडियन म्यूजिक एंड फॉर जनरेशंस टू कम. शी हैज मेनी सॉन्ग्स, यू नो, फ्रॉम चिल्ड्रन ऑफ 8 years to 80 years, 90 years, they love her voice. Very unconventional, yet it is touching our heart and souls. So thank you so much, Usha ji.
Thank you so much. I've also worked with children. Karadi Tales.
Karadi
I
Tales.
do a lot of work for children as well, and worked a lot in all different kinds of fields of now, especially with all the terrible things that are happening, like so much of illnesses. And जब से ये कोविड आया, बता दिए दुनिया को कि हम सब एक हैं. COVID doesn't need a passport or a visa or anything, or any sickness just goes anywhere, isn't it? So we must all work together for that. एकजुट होके, let us all work hand in hand with man and woman together. Let us fight these terrible things that are happening in our world today. Not just physical sicknesses, but also what is happening to our lives. Let's bring back the peace.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
मैंने
Usha.
आपका नाम एक बार भी नहीं पूछा.
Pooja Samant.
Thank you, Pooja Samant.
Thank you so much,
I don't want to call you just Pooja because I want to say Pooja Di, if you don't mind. It's got nothing to do with age. It's just respect. And it's been wonderful, your interview. I do hope it
Meeting
works
and
out.
talking to you, one of the most pleasure.
I want to say मुंबईची आठवण.
मुंबईचा पेपर.
आठवण
Yes.
खरंच